Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today we will talk about iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how you can check the history device that connect to your device or your iPhone on Bluetooth. So the thing that you have to do is just make sure that your Bluetooth on your device is active. You can just swipe your right upper side down part, and whenever the Bluetooth sign here is in a blue color, means that your Bluetooth is active. The next is you just need to open the settings. In the setting, just go scrolling down until you got this Bluetooth and make sure that it's on, and then you just need to tap it. Now the device that connect to you could be recorded into the my devices. That is the device that is connected to you through the Bluetooth. And there will be also the other option, which is the other devices, means that this device is ever to connect to your iPhone, but then you or unconnect them or forget this device. So it also helps you to find back the device and connect back into the device that you already unconnect or forget. So that's for today's tutorial. It's so simple and easy. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below. If you also need some tutorial, you also can just type into the comments and we will create one video for you. So that's for today's tutorial, guys, and let's meet again into other video.